how to use application here like a pro. So make sure to watch full video and stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use, and you can pretty much ask AI anything that you want, and it pretty much will give you a solution. So here you have some preset things that you pretty much can ask AI. As you can see here, improve SEO for your websites, and as well, let's say something fun. We'll just give you some preset questions which you can ask AI, as you can see here. So down here is a message box where you can send your message. Let's say we'll just send hi, and AI will just pretty much give me a response and so forth. Nothing much. You can also tap on the microphone icon for the AI to read out loud. And
hello.
As you can see here, it will read out the reply. So if you tap on the three dots here, I'll be able to select or copy the image. I can select the image and copy it. Can start playing the image. As you can see here, the stop listening option. Here I can make it shorter. Let's say I want a better reply. Same reply but a bit shorter. I want a longer reply, and it will make it longer. Let's say I want something completely different, then I can tap on the regenerate option there. And also, if you're going to do a web search, then you may need to enable the web search option here if you want the AI to use the web search option. Do keep in mind you're going to need a subscription for you to use that feature. Down here you have the plus icon image as well. You can also upload your image. Can take a picture of something. Let's say you might want to know what that is or what something is, I don't know. But you can attach any file or document. You may want the AI to scan, anything like that. And as well, can send voice note by using the voice note icon here. By just tapping on it, you're pretty much good to go. You do have the option to speak with AI live by just tapping on the black icon down here, and you'll be able to chat with AI live. But that option there requires you a subscription. So if you don't have a subscription, you won't be able to use that feature. And at the top, you may see GPT-5. And if I do tap on that option here at the top, you'll be able to see all the models that you can use. It has pretty much all the popular AI models out here which you can use with this application here. So it's all in one application. So all I have to do is to get a subscription and then be able to use these other options here. So that's pretty much it for that there. And to get the subscription, all I have to do is tap on the pro option at the top here, and they do give you a 1 week free subscription for you to test out their pro features, their pro AI models, and pretty much everything as it relates to pro. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And if once you get purchasing the subscription, you do be able to get the 1 year option as well. As you can see here, 1 year subscription. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And over here, if I do tap on the 3 lines at the top here, I'll be able to go in the history section and pretty much see the conversation that I've had with pretty much the AI chatbots here. And as well, I can tap on the new chat option to pretty much start a new conversation as it relates to this. So as well as the image library. So any image at all that you have used AI or you have used AI to generate an image, then it will show in the image library section. So the settings option, nothing much. You can change the voice of the AI when it replies, like the speech of the AI. So if I tap on the voice option here, I can
welcome. I'm delighted to offer my assistance.
Hello there. I'm here to make things easy.
So as you can see here, I can change the voice. So the default pretty much here is the chats as it relates to you speaking with any one of these. If you want it to be let's say you only want to use Gemini 2.5 for the moment, you mainly use that. So it may likely for you to just set the chat mode to Gemini 2.5. So that's really pretty much it for the application. We do have dark mode option here. Nothing much, but yeah, that's really pretty much it. So if I've missed anything at all, just comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.